This is my code for drawing a triangle, square, and a pentagon. So first, when you click on the green flag, it will say reset and then pen down. Once it's pen down, it means that it's gonna start drawing. And when it says set num sides to 3, it means that it's gonna be a triangle with 3 sides. And then side length to 80 is gonna be the slanted way for the triangle. So in the repeat loops, it's going to repeat the num size 3, move the side length 80 steps, and then turn 360 divided by the num size. So 360 divided by 3 degrees. And wait for 1 second. And then it will wait and start with a new shape. And then after that, it's going to be pen up, and then move side length plus 30 steps, and then change the pen color to 30, and then pen down. So at pen down, it means that it's going to start a new trial. And this part is going to be for square, so it's going to be changing the num size by 1. It means that num size originally started with 3, and then it's going to be adding by 1. And then it repeats the num size, so it repeats like the triangle one, so it's going to be move the side length steps, turn 360 divided by 4, and wait for 1 second, and then pen up. This part we end with a square. And from this part, it's going to be move side length plus 50 steps, change the pen color by 30, and then pen down, change the num size by 1, so it's going to be adding 1 from the square. It's going to be a pentagon, so it's going to be side length by 5. And then repeating num sides, move the side length steps, turn 360, divide by 5 degrees, and then wait for 1 second. So this is the entire process for the triangle, square, and the pentagon. Let's see how this works. Okay, so after doing this, you can see the difference in programming variables can be changed. Like you can use it and then change it as your program runs. However, in algebra, variable represents the unknown that you have to solve for an equation. So this is the key difference. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.